Hello, my name's Marty Marr from Great Ocean Properties. Welcome to 7 Birralee Road here in Fairhaven. This is a large, contemporary 4-bedroom dwelling. It's only built 7 years ago, so everything's in amazing order. It's got a beautiful ocean view with breaking surf, great access to the beach, and importantly, it's on a large level allotment, about 1,318 square metres. Level allotments are quite unusual for Fairhaven, so this is a really great opportunity. The house has everything you would want in a permanent or holiday house. It's even got a lift. So if this sounds like you, we'd love to show it to you. Please contact myself, Marty Marr, or Mim Atkinson. We'd love to help you.